Hello, everyone. Last week, I taught you all how to fold a dolphin by IG Matsushita. This piece might be a bit complex and definitely challenging for beginners. If you followed along, I'm sure your paper folding skills have improved significantly. So this week, let's take it easy. We'll learn a simple, more practical gift box that you might use in daily life. This is a modular piece. The lid and the body of the box each use 4 square sheets of the same size. I suggest using 2 colors of paper that coordinate well. I'm using 120-gram pearlescent cardstock here. It's a combination of silver and gold. Let's start the process now. First, let's fold the lid part. Take 4 sheets. First, we need to fold a diagonal line. Then, fold the 2 edges towards the diagonal line. For paper boxes, I suggest using slightly thicker paper. Alright, then fold this part towards here. Get this middle line. Then, open it up. Fold the bottom corner upwards. If you're using very thick paper, I suggest doing it like this. Fold this corner slightly downwards on the left side. So, this tip is slightly to the left. Make this part a bit wider and this part narrower. Then, flip it over and fold along the center line. Look here, fold this edge towards this crease. Fold it diagonally. Then, fold this edge towards this narrow edge. Next, open up this layer. Flip it over. Fold this edge towards this line. If you fold accurately, this point should land exactly at the end of this line. Then, fold this edge towards this line. This is a folding method that can be repeated infinitely according to a pattern. Fold until you can't fold anymore, because the paper does have some thickness. Fold according to this pattern. In total, we need to fold 4 of these units. This is the lid part. Now we have the 4 units for the lid. Next, let's look at the box body. First, pay attention to the midpoints of these 2 edges. Don't fold the entire line. One midpoint. Another midpoint. Then, fold this edge towards these 2 points. Try to minimize the creases on the box body. After folding, open it up. Fold this edge towards this line. Fold this corner towards this line. It should look like this. Like this. Then, look here. Fold this edge gently towards this edge at the bottom. Fold just about this much. Fold a little. Then look here, we just got this line. Fold this edge towards this line. Like this. Alright, open this up. Look here. Fold this edge towards this line. Like this. Fold it, then open it. Then, pay attention. Fold this edge towards this line. Fold it. Open up the back layer, this tip to the front. Then turn it. Fold this short edge towards this edge. It gets smaller and smaller as you fold. Then, look at the bottom. Now there's this crease. Fold this edge towards this crease. Make sure this corner is sharp. Fold it up. There's an extra bit along this edge. Fold it along the edge. Fold it to the back. Open it up. Fold the bottom edge towards this line. Open it up. Then, fold the small edge towards this direction. Fold the small edge toward this direction as well. Like this. Fold one on the left. Fold one on the right. These 2 parts should align and fold sharply. Alright, now we have 1 unit of the box body. Repeat this 3 more times. Alright, once we have all 8 units ready, let's start assembling. First, let's look at the box body part. First, take one piece. Open up this layer. Along this line, fold it diagonally upwards. Then, fold it all the way down along this line. Like this. This is one unit. Let's look again. Open it up, fold diagonally, and stand it up along the line. Stand it up along the line. Then, let's see how to combine 2 of them. Insert this part with a small angle into this seam. Be careful not to push it all the way in. Then let's insert the next one. Do the same. Insert it a little, but not all the way. The third one. Insert it. Tidy up the inside a bit. Then for the last one. Insert it. Look at the bottom. It should look like this. The top looks like this. Then, gently close it together. Then look inside. Now there's this line here. You should be able to see from here to here 2 colors. We can still stand this corner up. Stand it up, fold it back along the previous crease. Then fold the next one clockwise. Like this. Fold the third one. Like this. The last one. Insert it inside as well. Then tidy up these final 4 creases. Like this, the bottom is locked. It will be very hard to open now. Alright, that's the box body. Now let's look at the lid. The lid looks like this. First, we pinch it into a 3-dimensional shape along the previous creases. Pinch it into this shape. Each one like this. When we were folding earlier, I asked you to leave this part a bit wider and this part narrower. What? Like this. Use the narrower part to insert into the relatively wider part. You have to do it like this. If you insert it the other way around, it won't fit tightly. Like this. We alternate the colors and assemble them one by one. Alright, after assembling like this, we place the box. body at the bottom and fit the lid on top in reverse. Tidy up the top. First, we flatten the 4 corners on top here. Like this. Then, fold along the creases one by one. Like this. Fold along the crease. Fold again. Following a similar pattern as before. Fold one, then the other. For the last one, insert it from here. Press it down in the middle. Then proceed to the 3rd layer. Like this. After pressing 1 layer down, press the middle again. Layer by layer. Press it down in the middle. Continue until you can't do it anymore. For the last one, press it down one more time. Alright, now the lid part, the assembly, is done like this. Finally, hold this part in the middle and lift it up. Create this spiral shape. Tidy up the bottom a bit. And there you have it. This simple gift box is completed. That's it for this week. See you next week.